Hi Year 13, this is Mrs. Nambalarua and I am going to be explaining to you Task 3 of your Pacific Society's assessment. So you need to go to your Teams page and click on your assessment, which is 17170. If you click into the assessment, you will see a PowerPoint that says Task 3. So you need to open up your PowerPoint here. And this is the final task for our assessment, and you have week 8 of term 1 to complete this task. It is due on Friday the 18th, which is at the end of this week. So as we've looked at before, this is a 6 credit assessment. It's due on Friday, and you are going to be completing task 3, where you write a conclusion to your research. So in this PowerPoint, you are going to be completing that task. To complete your conclusion or write a report, you need to summarize the findings from your research and state whether you agree or disagree with your hypothesis. So what that means is, as you've gone through and looked at your different sources and done your annotations, you should have found out some different information and be able to answer your different focusing questions and then be able to come to an overall conclusion of whether you think your hypothesis was correct or incorrect, or whether you agree or disagree with it. As you can see in this PowerPoint, or in this slide, your report needs to be structured in the following way. You need an introduction, which outlines your hypothesis and your focusing questions. You need 3 paragraphs, 1 for each of your focusing questions, and then you need to write a conclusion with a statement in it about whether you agree or disagree with your hypothesis. To complete this report, you can continue through this PowerPoint and fill in each of the slides. Each of the slides is its own paragraph, so you're going to be writing 1 paragraph per PowerPoint slide. As you can see on this slide, you'll be writing your introduction, and I've written some possible sentence starters for you. You can either continue to write on those, like add to that sentence, or you can delete the entire sentence and write whatever you want, completely up to you. You probably want to turn the whole thing to black when you're finished so that it's not in red, but I'll just leave it in red so that you can see my prompts for you. So this would be paragraph 1, your introduction, and as you continue on here, you're going to see you've got paragraph 1, you've got your introduction, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and your conclusion. So you can go through and use my scaffold to help you write each of these paragraphs. And just after the introduction here, I've also written an example paragraph of how you would use my scaffold. So using the concept of Christianity being accepted into Tonga, I have divided my paragraph into a simple text paragraph down here. So we've got the topic sentence, explanation, examples, and tie back. For achieved, you can do 1 example, and merit excellence would be looking for 2 examples. So I strongly suggest you spend some time reading through my paragraph and then using this as a starting point for you to complete your own paragraphs on the following slides. When you have finished all of this, you can turn in your assessment so that your teacher can see that you are finished. If you have any questions, please email your teacher. Thank you.